Samsung is launching its new Galaxy A27 5G. Samsung is bringing impressive upgrades to the Galaxy A27 models. The smartphone will be powered by Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 4nm chipset with the additional support of 2.4 GHz Octa-Core CPU. There will be Super AMOLED touchscreen display with a much larger 6.7 inches screen size and 1080 by 2340 pixels resolution, including the 120Hz refresh rate and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. RAM will be 600 GB and storage will be 128 and 256 GB. There will be a triple camera setup back on the phone. Main sensor 50 megapixel wide and front camera will be 12 megapixel. Battery will be big one with 5000 mAh. It will run on Android 16 operating system. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.